Well, hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Let's practice sounding out some more words together. This is Book 4. A. The letter A says A. D. The letter D says D. The tip of my tongue goes up behind my top front teeth. And when you put them together, they say add. Get ready to read out loud with me. Add. 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 All right, let's read the words together again. This time, you go first and I'll go second. Add. Add. Bad. Pad. Dad. Sad. Mad. Fad. Great work! When you feel ready, why not move on to Storybook 4 for even more practice? The storybook is called Bad Cat, and it is linked to this video. Thank you so much for reading along with me and practicing sounding out words. You are amazing, and we will see you back here on Children's Reading Cove oh so very soon. Bye-bye.